Okay, so today the guys at Kiwi Rider have condescended to let me play with their toys. So I'm going up to Helena Bay Cafe just north of Whangarei. So the weather is absolute shit, but hey, you get that. And seems to be all my rides seem to be in the rain at the moment. But, so the 1700 Triumph, beautiful little machine. I love it. I'm in love with this bike.
Deep river runs its course to the warm horizon. Shadows of falling leaves, October moon and rusty skies, ever-changing feelings, the seeds of autumn in my mind.